다 같이 해야지. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3. Girls trip!
Guys, I'm so excited!
I'm like talking about going somewhere for ages. So long. Okay, so we have to go.
어떻게 사야 돼? 살 게 많아.
Hi, show. Look at her all concentrating. Trying to keep us alive. We're trusting shows to keep us alive.
Show, you look so concerned.
I'm so focused.
How's the donut peach?
It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah. Just to be fun. Yeah.
She just doesn't want to part. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm starving.
Although I did it.
Are these like grapes?
They're grapes?
Yeah. Oh, there's actual grapes. Yay, 수고했어요.
Thanks for driving.
Thanks for navigating. We made it! Yay! We're in Long Island right now. And first stop is at this winery. Jamesport Vineyard is the winery that we're at right now. And we're just gonna do some wine tasting. I love this.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with
Let's get the greener pastures.
Oh,
Prosciutto
that
and
sounds
balsamic
good.
glaze.
Oh, the blend? That sounds good.
Yeah, I was actually thinking that.
Plum and raspberries? Okay.
Okay, let's
got it.
go there in order.
Wait, what table are we? 502?
Ricotta and apple. The Buddy Boy pizza.
Alright, so you have a glass of hiiii Syrah Sauvignon Blanc, Sea Riesling, Greener Pastures Pizza, Buddy Boy, and a ricotta and apple.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers! I know, the lighting is so nice.
Yeah.
Mine tastes like honey. How's it? Nice though. Isn't this pretty good?
Yeah.
I actually don't. I prefer white over red, but this is good.
Sleeping, I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. Say that how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true?
The shape feels so
How
nice.
come every
Oh my God,
time
this is so
we
cute.
talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye.
Okay, to the next one. Off to get drunk again. Yay, vineyard number 2. What is this called? Paumanok? Such a cute entrance.
Vibe is gonna be over there. What do you mean? It's Saturday and it's beautiful.
Okay, Paumanok. How do you pronounce that?
can take them under the.
Oh, so pretty.
Yo, you
Wow, this is really good. Sweet and good.
This is good too.
This tastes like, it's like juice, right?
Juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. I love how we're just like. 이것도 맛있다. This one, I like this one the best.
I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your
Are
words.
these grapes edible? I'm gonna try. I don't know if it's allowed. Never mind.
I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high.
Vineyard got Winery of the Year in 2018.
너 하나 갖고 가고 우리 하나 마시고 she's gonna buy two and we'll buy two.
Did we get like the same? Oh, nice. Red or white?
Riesling.
Oh, okay.
That's
Ooh,
I like this
one.
carrier. This tote.
This is the white wine that we drank at the winery, and we got 6 of those. 2 for Yejin, 2 for show, and then 1 for tonight and 1 for me. Because I don't drink as much as them. Yeah, the wine there was super nice, and I really recommend that place. But now we're just checking in at the hotel, and I'll show you guys the room a little bit later.
It definitely fits up like
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Wait, you just like stuck to.
I'm out of the video. It's so cute. How is the bathroom? Let me see the bathroom.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's like so New England, but we're not in New England. It's like better than pictures. Are you guys? What are you guys gonna wear? Just your dinner clothes or beach clothes? Like, oh, are you like here? Just go to the beach first. Let's get changed.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my god, we're ready for the beach. So cute.
I want my face to get super tan. That's it.
It's definitely gonna get tan.
Like I don't care if my arm gets any more tan.
It's just straight across the beach.
That's nice. You know?
Nice, yeah.
Got nothing else to do, so I go reset the mood. Sipping some jungle juice in my bathing suit. I turn my living room into a Bahama cruise and send some pics to you in my bathing suit. Sound a little insane, but I don't give a fuck. I want a little escape from all of my troubles. Might not be parasailing, but I'm in my paradise. In my polka dot bikini, I can fantasize. Got nothing else to do, so I go reset the mood. Sipping some jungle juice in my bathing suit.
We just had dinner at the hotel. We have live music. Yeah. We have some Brussels sprouts, mussels, pasta, fries,
Hate to get in the video.
and octopus salad. Woo! Yeah, that's Amy Winehouse, I think. Because I watch Glee a lot.
I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies.
Bye bye. Bye. Sour Patch? No, this place is really nice.
Really concerned. Move back.
Breakfast. I realize it's not even breakfast, it's like lunch time.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's a... Is that chicken? So hot.
I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity. It's a petty crime. You see how
Joe is getting us some pie and some of these like fruit slushies, and then we're just gonna sit in the shade and eat. Did you spill? What's this one?
Peach and then this apple raspberry. Cool. Guys, pie is humongous.
Oh my god, it's huge!
Isn't it?
And it looks so good.
I know. Thinking about the frozen ones, and they were like, you can't let it defrost.
Oh, okay. Oh my god!
Look at that.
Oh my god! That looks gorgeous.
Oh my goodness. It's broken. We're eating so much of this. Yeah, so happy. Peach waffle. I know, it's so good. How is it? That cream waffle. Yum.
맛있어.
It's like glazed so that it looks really appetizing.
너무 달지 않아서 좋은 것 같아.
Like the cream is sweet too.
Yeah.
You've never heard this song before? And turn right at that
Oh, this is so fitting. August slipped away.